Alright, welcome back guys to this training. This is going to be the step 5 of this video of how to build your website using the Elementor template kit. So in this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add the header and the footer section to your website using the Elementor template kit. So to do that, let's go to our dashboard. Alright, so what I want you to do, go back to the home page that we are editing. So let me go back to the home page. Alright, so to add the header and the footer section, so the header are those places that you normally see your menu, that is the home page, the about us page. Then you also have your logo and others. So that is what we refer to as the header. Alright, so to add the header, all you have to do, click on this plus icon here on this add section. Alright, so just click on this plus icon. Alright, so it will bring you here. Just select this Elementor elements. Alright, so it will bring you back to this our template kit. Alright, so let me just select our header. Alright, so this is the header. So just click on insert template. Alright, so we now have our header. This is the header section. Alright, so the next thing to do, let me work on this. This is this particular image here. So this one is serving as our logo. Alright, so I will just edit it. So let me search in case you have a logo that you want to make use of, so you can just insert it here. Alright, so let me just choose an image, any random image from here. Alright, from this my media library. Alright, so let me just select anything that I can just make use of as my logo. Alright, so before now, so make sure you have your logo and all the images that you want to make use of for your website. Let it be ready. Alright, so let me just select, okay, let me just make use of this particular one as my logo. Let me just select this particular one here. So let me just make use of it as a logo. Alright, so that is it. So I can just decide to style it. So I can reduce the width. So let me just reduce the width. Alright, so let me leave it this way. So I can reduce the height also. So let me make it something smaller. Alright, so that is it. Alright, so I can change the background color of this in my header. So let me just change the background color also. So let me change the background color. So I can decide to make it something else. Alright, so let me just leave it. So in case you can change the background color also. Alright, so that is for this session. Then I can also work on this section here. This one is for the my menu. Alright, so just click on this edit element kit, that is this menu. Alright, so just select it, then come down here and select a menu. Then I'll select a main. Alright, so my menu is under my main, that is the menu that I created, that is the main. Alright, so I'll just select a main. Alright, so it will bring all this my home page, about us, contact and service page. Alright, so I can edit all of these stuffs right here. Okay, then I can decide the position that I want this menu to be. I can place it at the center, I can place it at the right hand side. So any of these, you can do all of this here. Okay, so the next thing I will do, so you can edit all of these stuffs. Then in case you want to add anything, you can come up and add it. Alright, so that is it. So let me say, for instance, I want to change the background color. I can change it. So what more thing can I do? So you can edit all of these stuffs here. So the next thing I want to do is this. Let me go back to the style. Or let me go back to the style. So okay, so you can change the hover effect and others. So let me go to the mobile view and see. So this is how it's looking on our mobile view. So I can also edit this mobile drop down. Alright, so let me go to the mobile. So let me go back to the mobile. So go to mobile menu setting. Alright, so I want to set it better. So for the mobile, so I can also change this logo. So let me also select this other one here. So let me also make use of this logo also. Next, this is the mobile. So by the time you click on it, it will bring all of these stuffs here. Alright, so I can change the background. Okay, so I can change the background. I can change this icon also. I can change this icon, this type of icon. I can select another type of icon for it. Alright, so let me just go to my icon library. So let me say mobile, let me say menu. Let me just search for menu. Alright, so these are the different varieties I can make use of. So let me, for instance, I want to make use of this particular one. This particular one, so I can just select it, then click on insert. Alright, so that is it. So I've changed this to this particular design. So you have a lot of things that you can work on here. Alright, so let me say this menu link. Alright, custom link. Alright, so that is it. Okay, so let me go back to my menu setting. Then for the menu, I place it to be main. Then it's on a horizontal position, right? Okay, then the horizontal position is right. So these are all the things that you can do under this menu. So you can just go through it and use it to design your menu. All right, so that is it. So let me go back to this mobile, to the desktop mode also. So this is for the header section. So in case you want to add another section to it, let me say I want to add something like my top bar. Alright, so let me say I want to add another thing. So I can just come here and click on section. So I'll just select this one single section with a single column. Alright, so I can just come here. Alright, so I can just change the background. Alright, so that is it. So to add the footer, all you have to do is just go down. To add the footer, so all you have to do is just go down, then come to this add a session also. Click on add session. Alright, so just select, or no need, you can just go to this Elementor element also, then go to your installed kit, then search for the footer. So this is the footer section, so just insert this template. Okay, insert the footer template. Okay, so this is the footer section. Alright, so I can work on this. I can change the background color of this footer section. So let me just change the background color. I can change it to something dark. Alright, so let me leave it this way. Okay, so let me leave the footer section to be this. Okay, let me leave it this way. So under the footer section, I have this I have 3 different columns. That is this first one here. I have the 3 different columns, 4 different columns, 1 2 3 4. So you can work on any of this. If there is any one that you don't want, you can remove it. Then I have the elements that are associated to each of these column, like this social icons that you can edit. Then in case you want to add your Facebook page, your Facebook, your YouTube channel, your Instagram and all, so all you have to do is to click on it, then input the URL. That is the link to your Facebook page, to your Twitter page, to any of your social handles. So you can add their link here, so that by the time someone clicks on it, he or she will be directed back to the particular page. Alright, so that is for this footer section and also the header section. So this is how you can add the footers and the header section to your website. So I've already taught you guys how you can import this home page and how to edit all of this. Alright, using the session, column and the element formula. So this is how you can basically go on and edit all of these stuffs on your website. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to import other pages of your website, and we are going to be making use of the About Us page and the Contact Us page. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.